They were trying to kill me.
You get a good look at him.
He was wearing a face, a human face.
Who is that?
Who is he?
This town's a dirty little secret.
Texas Chainsaw in cinemas from January 9th.